And it kind
of... Hey YouTube, it's Creepy Crawler. Hey, we're down here at Andrews again. You can see the tractors in the background, I'm hoping. And we're gonna get some good video for you today, maybe. We don't know, we usually lose it or lose a GoPro or whatever, but we're gonna try. So hang out there with us. Look at the majesty. Look at the majesty, boys. The beautifulness of the flag area down here. Ah, brings a patriotic tear to my eye. Well, it's been several hours. You can probably see we really haven't moved much. What seems to be the problem here, sir?
Pabst Blue Ribbon. It's got me tied down.
It's just messing up this riding day. Terrible.
Why are you calling it a problem?
Well, it's
only a problem
it's not
if we
really.
run out of beer, and that's not gonna happen.
So this might be less of a mower riding video and more of a beer drinking video. I don't know. We'll find out.
The shitbaggery will happen later once I have more of these. I guarantee you, I will be covered in mud in this video. I promise everyone that.
Okay, fair enough. You heard it live. We're gonna make it happen. Hear me, but I'm wrecking the trees. Section gets tight. They don't wreck right through one-handed. Oh boy. Kind of forgot that my steering had a couple things out of it, teeth out of it. So we can see them up there. They're dangle. The brakes work. Seem like they're working. Good, Rusty. What seems to be the issue, sir? There's Dangle coming up. Maybe we can get him. No problem. Right up there. Sir, this is a mower trail.
I'm sorry.
What are you doing, you fucking guy? Choppy. Little tree trimming? Okay. It's extra sloppy right through here. I think this might be the side of the downhill mud ball. Oh, got it stuck in the bank. Stuck in the old bank. Oh yeah. Like a boss. Oh boy. Well, you know it's bad when you have trouble driving down a muddy spot. So what are we doing here, sir?
fucking fine now. Fucking junk.
Nothing but love
Feckin',
for this thing.
feckin' junk. Junk ass Honda. Got a big cam in it. Big old sunbitchin' cam. Damn. Boys, how many trails we rode today?
We'll call it a half of one.
So we've been here for how long? 4 hours?
Probably.
Rode half a trail?
Yeah.
Yeah, good progress. Good job. Good job. Lots of beer. Go us. Good job. You don't need all the teeth on your steering gear. Danger. Oh boy, here comes a big doggy. Oh, they're rowdy. All right, we just dropped down this. Now Andrew's going to. It's pretty soft down at the bottom. Hey, now do my line around the rock. Yeah, there, Danklin's doing it. I just rode this line in for the first time. It's pretty sketchy. Sir, that's aggressive. Ricky. You need some assistance? Give you a little scoop. There you go. Nicely done. What do you think of that one? Oh God. Oh God. Horrendous crash. Dango, what are you doing? Trying to make a new line? He's trying to make a new line. Looks like he got cut on that little tree. Clutch work, sir. Uh-oh. There you go. Nicely done. Worked perfect.
The kid's an animal.
Oh, they got the buggy stuck. What happened?
I just dropped down in. I didn't know the bundle. I thought it was up there.
Oh, no. Oh, boy. Oh, we got a nice little hill climb here, though. Old Jordan getting it dry. Should be no problem. Beautiful. Tyler coming along. Nice. Yeah, this is the mud hole we was in. I don't know. Probably last video we was out here. We was tearing around in. It's bottomless. Just tractor's light enough to kind of float on the crust. Big bikes are not. Angle, what did you do?
You're gonna finish it now. Oh no.
You can finish me.
I gotta do a little road work here. Finish him.
Somebody put this big freaking tree right in a road. Dangle was doing a log hop and that one over the old. Dropped over there pretty good. Oh, we got one red mud digging down there. You can hear him. We're all right past that freaking side by side. Eat your heart out, side by side, boys. Oh boy. Yeah, you don't want to go that way. It's not good. I think he's gonna come right around. Uh-oh, now we're getting two things stuck. I don't know if you can see them down there with the buggy and there's a four-wheeler trying to pull it. Uh-oh. Tractor made it no problem. Oh hell, there's stuff here we can road build. Oh yeah. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, you'll have to hop off of it. Success.
Like more of a bumper on it.
Yeah, we need to do a little more adjustment. I think we got her fingered out now. Oh yeah, look at her digging.
Yeah.
Digging in. first one through under their own power. Whee! Well, you've seen it stuck before, but good Lord, that hole's probably 2 feet deep. We just had to winch it 3 different times. It's stuck clear back there. Finally got it way up on that tree, and then had to move over to this one. But stuck. Just stuck. Yeah. What do you have to say for yourself, sir?
Here's a beer.
Give her a rip.
Got mud in my eyes. Can't see what I'm doing.
She'll get third.
What gear are you running?
No problem. Oh no! Oh, she's done. Oh no!
I hit the wrong line.
We got a Tyler taking Rusty out for a rip now. Andrew just gave her one good rip. What'd you think of that, bud?
Fuck yeah. 2 thumbs up, bud.
Well, boys, I don't know if you can hear them. Yeah, you probably can't. They're all up in the woods now, but that's going to be it for me today. They all went out on another rip. You saw the good mud footage. We all had a ball. I let Andrew and Tyler take a rip on Rusty. They were pretty psyched about it. You can see her there in the background. And but I got to go home. Got a little bit of a cold, don't feel super good, and I got some other stuff. I just gotta go home. So I got some decent footage here, I think. Hope you boys liked it. It wasn't the best stuff in the world, but I'm trying. So if you liked it, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and this is gonna be Creepy Crawler signing out.